Hello, this is Alex Siegel, the Master of Runes. In this video I will show you a simple runic formula that will increase your success and your joy in your career, in your job. This runic formula consists out of 3 runes. Those are Kenas, Fehu and Vunio. Kenas is the rune of the fire, rune of passion, rune of joy, rune of inspiration. It's the situation when you are burning with a desire to perform your work, when you really love your work. The Fehu is the rune of wealth, rune of growth. So this rune ensures you will have enough money, that your salary will be good for you, so you will be able to enjoy your career. And the rune Vunio is the rune of the joy, rune of fulfillment. It will be the end result of this magical operation. So you will have a job, so you will either find new job or you will find joy in your current job. You will receive adequate salary, adequate compensation for your efforts, and you will be happy and fulfilled with your situation. To use this rune formula, you can activate it with a simple ritual. I teach how to do that on my free course. Thank you for your attention and I wish you the best of luck.